Check this out. Soi 15, trying to bring the heavy machinery in for all part of the drainage. Avenue residence condo block there. And the little alleyway down at Coco Hotel and Whisper. And the urban condo on the right. They're going to bring this big machine down this little alleyway. Well, good luck. Because they're stuck. Plus they've got all the wires they have to keep going under. And there's traffic now all banked up. No cars can get through. Hey, my panlay, Thailand. This little shop here, 50 baht dish. Thai food. Right, it's going to have another go at this. Gotta take it in hard. Get the cars out while you can. Alright, boring. I'll cut for a minute, see how they go. Well, they gave up on reversing. They decided to offload there and drive it down the street. That's the big pile driver. It's a good sign anyway. Maybe they'll finish the work of Soi 15 down near the Soi Bukow end. They take it down here, it's where they park it overnight, but it makes a racket going up and down the street, this thing. Shakes all the condo block. Listen to that. Big pan out. Gotta watch those wires. We've had the electricity down a few times, cable TV down. The car coming in now. Don't hit those wires. Alright, and you'll be going down the alley. I'll show you that in a sec, what they're doing down there. And we're off and racing. Look at the mess. Traffic's all piled up. Traffic jam up there. Busy little spot now. Alright, we'll go down here a bit. Here it comes. That's the Whisper Hotel, that orange one. The Coco Hotel, just here. And this is sort of their storage for all their gear, but they've been dumping dirt here, so maybe they're going to raise up the ground. Dirt alley. That's the old, there used to be a casino in there. Yes, it wasn't legal, I know. In there. Uh-oh, it's on the wires. Careful, mate. Uh-oh, there's no cable TV tonight. 24th of January. It's a bit overcast today in Pattaya. Sun's sort of been behind the clouds, looked like it was going to rain. There, that's that. Get the boom up, mate. And they're in. How exciting was that? I know. Anyway, take care, everybody. It's the P. Joe Construction Show. Yeah. Got all the dust coming out. Burnout. Woo, smoke it up, baby. See in the distance that tower there, in the far distance, that's that Millennial Tower on 3rd Road. Weehaw! Alright guys, P. Joe's off in his afternoon walk. Just thought I'd show you that little section. Take care. Thanks everyone for watching. That's the back of the Grand. They call that the Grand. While I'm here, I'll show you this. I think I've done videos here before. You can see there, raising up the land. Took comms in the distance. And that's what's happening in this area. Bit cloudy today, didn't rain. Not the wet season. Yeah, that was the old casino in there. Used to go in there, really dodgy. They got raided. Alright, hooroo from P. Joe. Over and out. Take care. And there's that old bar complex. Will that ever reopen? Hooroo.